Alright, what's up guys? I am back for another Steelbook unboxing video, and today we are looking at A Quiet Place Part 2. Alright, another, the second John Krasinski directed movie, and, oh, is that? That's always nice. Looks like another great delivery by Amazon. Unfortunately, this was one of those things, like I remember checking my Best Buy app and I was like, what? You know, the exact day it went on sale, next thing you know, it's sold out. Which, yes, is a thing that happens very often with Steelbooks and the Best Buy app specifically. Yeah, and specifically like the Canadian app. It just, I don't know, I mean, it seems to always be sold out, so I had to get this one through Amazon. Thankfully though, like the prices were pretty much the same, so, and yep, I see a pretty big ding here, so yeah, flawless delivery by Amazon once again. What can you do? As a physical media collector, you really shouldn't be purchasing your Steelbooks online. Obviously that is to be avoided as much as possible, but my local Best Buys, you know, the stores, they never have anything, or very rarely have anything, so I end up pre-ordering everything. And anyways, I'm just here to show the artwork, and so this is what it looks like right here without the discs inside of it. Now the movie, the actual movie, I enjoyed quite a bit. I would say, though, it is very similar to the first one. So basically, it doesn't reinvent anything. You know, if you enjoy the first one, chances are you'll most likely enjoy that one as well. And yeah, you know, it was, I don't want to say good enough, but it, you know, it was a solid sequel, definitely. But it was one of those movies that, when I saw the first one in theaters with my wife, you know, it was such a fantastic experience. I did feel like this was really one of those movies that did not need a sequel at all. But, you know, Hollywood being Hollywood, it is what it is. But this was a pretty solid sequel. Really, I can't complain, other than, you know, it is pretty much the exact same thing. It is more of the same, essentially. So, but this is what the Steelbook looks like. I'm still really annoyed by that. Really bums me out. But anyways, this is pretty much it from me, guys. I'm not feeling very talkative today. Anyways, so yeah, this is what it is. Awesome. Glad to add it to the collection. And let me guys, let me know if you enjoyed the movie. Let me know if you preferred the first one or this one, and do you think there will be a part 3? I'm pretty sure there will be. You know, obviously now I guess they're gonna make it a trilogy and sort of have a family reunion and you know, tie the whole thing up. So anyways, that's pretty much gonna be it from me, guys. And I will see you very soon for another Steelbook unboxing video or anything horror related. As always, take care, guys. Peace.